Okay, so you can be in one of the more general groups, the most general group here being quadrilaterals. You can be in one of these general groups and not necessarily be in one of the more specific groups. You can be quadrilateral without necessarily being a kite, right? Or you can be quadrilateral without necessarily being a trapezoid. And you could be quadrilateral without necessarily being a parallelogram. Okay? But if you're in one of the more specific groups, you're definitely in the more general group. So all rectangles are squares. I don't like it. If you are in this group here, okay, I'm sorry, if you're in this group here, rectangles, that doesn't necessarily mean you're in the squares group. So all rectangles are squares? No. Counterexample. Okay. All parallelograms are rectangles. Well, no. Rectangles is a more specific group, so you can be in the more general group without being in that specific group. All parallelograms are rectangles. There's a counterexample for that. All parallelograms are quadrilaterals. That is true. That is true that all parallelograms are quadrilaterals because the only requirement for quadrilateral is it's got four sides, and every parallelogram fits that. So I like it. Okay, and let's just look at the last one. All quadrilaterals are parallelograms. Not true. You can be in the higher quadrilateral group without getting into the more specific group. And here is a counterexample of a trapezoid. That's quadrilateral, not a parallelogram. Yep, that's it.